Hi guys, it's another episode here on my channel. This one is going to be about which treatment is right for you, braces or Invisalign. Please give me your preference in the comments below. If you're wondering which method to choose, you're in the good place, and I will try and advise you with some of my tips down below. If you are a patient from London, don't forget to book your appointment. Here are the current locations where I'm working at, but please look out for other locations because they might show up near you. If you'd like to book an appointment, click the link below. Let's go back to the basics. What are braces? Braces are brackets that are essentially positioned on your teeth. They may be either metal or ceramic, which is more aesthetic. The whole treatment with braces is based on positioning the bracket and then changing the wires and also some extra elements that may be needed in order to achieve the result. So you have to come in for regular appointments for braces adjustments. This is important because without those appointments, your teeth will not continue moving. But what are Invisalign or clear aligners? Clear aligners is basically based on sequence of multiple clear aligners, clear trays that you put on your teeth in specific order. You change them every week. Each aligner has a specific movement program inside the aligner. Therefore, you do not need very regular adjustment visits in order for your treatment to be continued. The appointments for clear aligners are going to be less regular. Both braces and clear aligners work. However, the experience is very different. Therefore, do not think that one of them does not work. Okay, so as the whole topic is very complex, I will break it down on multiple topics. The first topic will be effectiveness and treatment complexity. Braces are going to be effective for all types of orthodontic problems, starting from mild crowding to any problems with the flared teeth or overbites, underbites, you name it, we can use braces. With clear aligners, we cannot always use it. For some complex cases, the clear aligner treatment will simply not be as effective. There are certain movements which are just difficult to obtain with clear aligners. Watch this space because you never know, maybe in the end we'll only have aligners. But as of today, there are type of malocclusions which clear aligners are not ideal for. So therefore, your dentist may decide that your only option is braces. However, in the case of simple crowding, minor orthodontic problems, or maybe preparation before further treatments such as veneers or composite bonding, sometimes the aligners will be better than braces. The reason behind it is that the treatment will be shorter compared to braces for simple cases. The next thing that we're going to discover is appearance of your appliance. Let's start from clear aligners. Clear aligners are almost invisible, so therefore they will be more aesthetic for you and less noticeable by your colleagues, your family. The thing with clear aligners is that sometimes we need to place attachments, which are those little tiny buttons. They basically act like your brackets that you use in case of braces. So generally, Invisalign or other clear aligners methods are very good for you if you're looking for an aesthetic treatment and barely noticeable treatment. However, important thing to notice is that in case of clear aligners, you may notice a slight lisp, especially at the beginning of your treatment. So if you work by speaking, at the very beginning, they sometimes for the first 2 weeks complain it's difficult to speak and their speech has been altered. However, they usually get used to it and it goes back to normal. With braces, it's of course more visible, less aesthetic. However, due to for that reason, you have multiple options. There is metal braces. There are also ceramic braces, which are a little bit more aesthetic. If you are opting for ceramic braces, you have to maintain a really good oral hygiene. There is also another option for braces called lingual braces. They are right here. This method of braces, the most aesthetic option. This type of treatment is not for everyone. The reason behind it is it may impact your TMJs. Another topic we're going to discuss today is comfort. So Invisalign is generally may be considered more comfortable because of the fact that it's less visible, but mainly you can take it off if you'd like to brush your teeth and keep it nice and clean, or if you want to have your coffee and take it off for an hour. Okay, so if you want to eat something, you can basically take them off. So that's pretty much very convenient. As much as there is some comfort there, you have to remember about wearing your aligners. If you wear it any less than 22 hours a day, your aligners will stop tracking, which we will notice, and therefore we will not get your result in expected time. If you are not disciplined, your aligners will not work by itself. In terms of pain from clear aligners, my patients do tell me that if they've worn braces before and now they are wearing clear aligners, they tell me that clear aligners are causing way less pain and discomfort than the braces did. In terms of braces, you have your brackets and your wires at all time. So it may be that your lips or your cheeks will get bruised. It's also not as easy to clean braces, and therefore your gums may suffer from it. It's very important that your hygiene is spot on if you are considering any type of braces. In terms of comfort, with braces, you also have to remember about the fact that any sticky or very hard food has to be forgotten. So forget about popcorn, so forget about biting into an apple. You will have to resign from this food because your bracket will fall off if you will continue on eating these. Whereas for Invisalign, you can take it off in order to wear your sticky food. Still not recommended, but you can do that. Costs. This one is gonna be tricky to tackle because essentially it will be dependent on your orthodontic problem. If your orthodontic problem is minor, it will generally be cheaper to do Invisalign or clear aligners treatment because just cost of it will be less and therefore the treatment will be cheaper. The duration of the treatment in this case will also be quicker with Invisalign because with braces we would need to change from specific wires from one wire to another, which would prolong the treatment time compared to Invisalign. So you have to also consider the fact that you have more regular checkups with braces than with Invisalign. With braces, checkups are every 4 to 5 weeks with me. With Invisalign, every 8 to 10 weeks. Costs, if your orthodontic problem is moderate to severe, will usually be a little bit lower with braces. However, this is depending on your clinical case, so make sure that you go and ask your provider. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today. If you are still unsure which method to choose, come and see me in those locations. You can book an appointment through clicking the link down below and booking the appointment itself. I will reach out to you. I will basically help you with choosing ideal method for you because everyone is different and everyone may have different needs. So I'll hopefully see you during the appointment. See ya!